The Phottix Luna II Beauty Dish is simply one of the most versatile light shaping tools you will ever use. It's a beauty dish and a fully functional softbox. The beauty dish gives you the soft, direct, reflected light with that classic catch light. Add the included diffuser for the soft, flattering light of a softbox. You can also attach the included grid to better control spill. Setup is simple. Just secure each rod with the integrated locking post and you're ready to shoot. You can even remove the deflector for added punch. Now for some quick tips. When assembling and disassembling, it's easiest to secure the locking post from the back by going across from one another. Feel free to keep the diffusion attached, even when storing in the included carry case. With multiple ways to shape light and its extreme portability, this is simply one of the most versatile light shapers you can own.